It's my turn. They don't usually let me talk. Actually, this is quite an honor for me to be able to do this with these guys, especially being retired champions. I also sing with a gospel quartet with my brother that I've sung with for 13 years, and we came up with this idea that maybe we'd mix a little barbershop and a little gospel and sing a song that made famous by another Michigan quartet, the Vagabonds. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me.
Why don't you swing?
Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Rock me, Lord, come on easy. I got a home on the other side. Swing, 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 swing. Well, Ezekiel went down to the middle of the field, saw an angel working on the chariot wheel. Was so particular about the chariot wheel, he just wanted to see how the chariot feels.
Why don't you swing?
Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Rock me, Lord, come on easy. I got a home on the other side. Swing, 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 swing. Well, Ezekiel went down and he got on board. The chariot went a bumping on down the road. Wasn't so particular about that bumping on the road. He just wanted to lay down his heavy load.
Why don't you swing?
Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Rock me, Lord, come on easy. I got a home on the other side. Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Rock me, Lord, come on easy. I got a home on the other side. Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Swing down, chariot, stop and let me ride. Rock me, Lord, come on easy. I got a home on the other side.